the next, the idea is for types of prism. So usually what all we discuss is our syllabus is related to, we will discuss this. Okay, fine. So we will discuss this one. Square prism, rectangular prism, pentagonal prism, hexagonal prism, octagonal prism. It can be of anything, prism, that one. Okay, now, so like how you are calling this as a prism. So let me bring only the plane view. Suppose if this is the ray of light is incident. It will undergo refraction. You can see, so this part is what we will take for the analysis here. This is square prism. Still what all we learned, triangular prism, the same ideas are being applied for this. Okay, no? So the ray will be, I'll just show the, okay, this one already triangle prism. Area of light will come here. So it will undergo refraction, moves from denser, rarer to denser, will bend towards normal. This dotted line is toward normal. So it will emerge out. So it is changing. So what this prism, triangular prism does, it will change the one, I'll write it. So it will change the direction of path. So now what about the rectangular prism? So it will be of this kind of. So this will be two. Like this we can go for rectangular prism. The rectangular prism will be, again the idea will be same. So here the ray of light which is incident here will undergo refraction. Let me draw it properly. Okay, this is the rectangular prism. Then pentagonal prism is what, this one. Pentagonal, how many 5 sides are there? Let me try. I do have pentagon. Yeah. So here also I can bring the idea of the ray of light which is incident will undergo refraction. Okay, fine. The idea is same, like, so what all these prisms will do, they just bend the ray of light. They're just used to change the direction of propagation of the ray. You want to change the direction of path of the ray of light, then take help of the prism. So the plane view, so this will be the, not only this, so we can, okay, there's no much difficulty. I can't draw that octagonal prism, so let me just show that one. So sometimes we discuss some problems of this kind. Maybe sometimes we do encounter, so you know to bother. So what all we discuss, the triangular prism, those same ideas will be applicable for all these remaining types of prism. So that's why we'll just focus, our syllabus will be more priority will be given to the this triangular prism only. Okay, fine. Okay, now we will get into the this. We'll conclude the story part. No. So every time doing analysis for this three-dimension will be very difficult. So therefore, we will consider the principal section. Means when a ray of light is incident, it will be incident at somewhere at this particular point. No. So there I'll draw a perpendicular called as principal section. We will define like this: principal section. So what is this one? The section of prism by a plane perpendicular to the refracting edge and contains incident and emergent rays. Every time this three-dimensional analysis will be very difficult, so therefore we'll go for plane diagram. So the ray will come and strike at one specific point. So from there I'll drop a perpendicular to the refracting edge. So that particular plane is called as a principal section. So the principal section usually will be a plane which will be perpendicular to the refracting edge and that contains the incident and emergent. So what I'm showing, this is a what you say two-dimensional view. Then nothing but the principal section of this particular following prism. For square prism, this will be principal section. For rectangular prism, this will be principal section. So this is the usually typical terms what we get and we are using them. Okay, let's go for to study the deviation of the deviation produced by the prism. So we'll derive an expression for the deviation produced by a prism.